บังละคอยคอยบอกง่ายๆนี่
เจ้าได้ลง
ไกลอยู่
อายุบ่รถหมูแล้ว
บ่อยากบังคับเราเขาบ่อยากบังคับเรา
ครับถามว่า
ถามเรากับนั่นหมู่เราบ่อยากค่อยถามตนเราบ่อยากมันบ่คักหลาย
โทรหารีสอร์ทนะมากินเมี่ยงสิเอากิน
โทรหาเรา
โทรทางเฟซหาเรา
มีแต่ห้องซะแล้ว กินเมีย
ให้คานห้องมันได้ยินเสียงให้คานห้องก็ได้เป็นยังไงบ่ฮู้ว่าตัวไหน
Sleeping on mama. This is a surprise. Look at your eye. How did that happen? Your eye looks better. What the? Look at that. I thought your eye was blind for a second there. I'll show you a before and after pic, but that's weird. So this is the little garden. Whoa. Mala.กินข้าวก็แซ่บหลายเนาะ
ไม่ใช่ไหม
Okay, what is this dog doing? Hey! Don't sneeze on my freaking net. So I just got done finishing. Packing these bags with dirt. Here are some of my plants. And here's a dog sleeping here, relaxing. Let's see. Okay, let's let it take a shower, shall we? Get a good sleep. It's shower time. Dun 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 dun. And the goats are here. It's okay, she likes it. Shower time is shower time, right? Okay, these are my mango plants. They sprouted quite nicely, as you can see. Now, here is a dog, and here's some water. Shower time. Shower time. Rinse that shit. Rinse it. Yay. Woohoo! You like that, didn't you? Oh, your eyes feeling so much better. Oh. These dogs need to take a bath. Look at these goats wrestle. Come here, boy. Is he gonna come to me? Is he gonna come to me after shower time like that? Oh. So cute, this boy. Take advantage of shower time, man. You're still wet. Boy. Eyes feeling a little bit better, no? Eyes feeling a little better. Wow, that's a lot of scars. Back, now I see in the back. So these chickens are always escaping. This is the papa chicken, and that's its wife. I'm gonna lead them back to where they belong. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All these chickens are just hanging out, stretching their legs.